So this is a little compact Forestmaster wood chipper. I'm just gonna show you what I've done to it to make it more efficient. So yeah, it does say to put the 2 screws through the outshoot, but I haven't done that. And this chute here, it comes with a big plate with a, looks like a cup holder. That had to go straight away. That gets in the way. And what I've done to it as well is, you notice there's 2 holes there. The this actual plate here was in these bottom holes, so all I've done is unscrewed it and moved it up a bit, just so you get a bit more clearance. Also, what I've done to this one as well, if you notice yours, this orange plate behind this bit here, this will be a lot bigger, and I've cut that off. I just angle grinded that off, just so it actually gives a bit more clearance. You've got to be very careful, don't get your hands in here. I've seen a few guys on Instagram who've chopped their fingers up and stuff, so it's not fun. But yeah, as long as you're careful. Yeah, and I say it feeds great. Another thing I've done, I've changed the spark plug over because it had a torch spark plug in, and if anybody knows anything about them, you'll know why I've changed it. So yeah, I changed the spark plug. I can't remember which one it is, but yeah, changed it for a decent brand. I've also adjusted the RPMs on this as well. It was revving far too high for my liking, so I've slowed the engine down. Yeah, there's an adjusting screw there. That's your limit screw for the throttle. So yeah, when you move this full throttle, there's a screw right there with a spring on it. That's what your RPM is. So I've lowered it, and it's actually a lot better, a lot more torqueier. That's pretty much it, really. That's all I've already done to it. How would I improve this thing? I'd like a bit of a bigger chute. Maybe if they had another 4 or 5 inches above this, it'd be a bit nicer. And probably better wheels. This thing's a pain in the ass to push anywhere. Well, mainly because of how low it is, but yeah, it'd be nice if it had slightly better wheels. But other than that, great little bit of kit. There's like a little, as mini chippers go, you don't get anything sort of this compact, and it's very handy for those awkward access and smaller pruning sort of jobs. So I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. Cheers.